welcome, peckish friends, to Gina's Sunshine Kitchen. Here's your host, Gina. Howdy, friends. It's an exciting day in the Sunshine Kitchen. We have a special guest visiting us today. How's it going, friend? Let's find out. Here we have a wonderful variety of veggies consisting of mushrooms, carrots, green beans, tomatoes, and yellow squash. And over there, some olive oil. We'll pour the olive oil on top of the veggies, toss them around, and sprinkle them with some salt and pepper. And then we'll roast them in the oven. Let's cover up with foil. Okay, now let's put it in the oven. Vegetables, yeah! I'd like to thank our special guest for visiting us today. Join us next time as we find out what other small foods we could make in our small oven. See you next time!